A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha, and today I'm broadcasting under very difficult conditions. I don't know if I will be able to complete this broadcast, but I have to because it's something which we cannot ignore. Honorable Job Sikhala was in court today at High Court, where he was applying for bail at the High Court. So what happened is that he went through, and as you can see right here on the screen, this was the update which was given by Advocate Fadzai Mahere 2 hours ago. And she was talking about the bail appeal hearing starting. And the state indicated that it was ready to proceed, and it filed its opposition to the bail appeal. And Advocate Faukram, who was representing Honorable Job Sikhala, made his own submissions regarding this matter. And he says that the magistrate erred in refusing bail based on an allegation that Job Sikhala breached his bail conditions. And at law, when a bail condition is breached, that bail should be revoked. And in this case, the state was failing or is not able to meet the threshold to revoke bail. So, which means that if Honorable Job Sikhala's previous bail is not revoked, and if he is not jailed based on the revocation of that bail, it means that the magistrate cannot base on such a flawed thinking of saying that he broke some bail conditions. So you could actually see that the magistrate cannot turn over the High Court ruling. That cannot happen. But the High Court takes precedence. So, which means the magistrate erred in such in this case. 6 months ago, the state lied that the witnesses were 20. And they say that they had a strong case. But after the completion of the investigations, only 4 witnesses were brought forward, and one witness is a civilian, and that civilian never implicated Job Sikhala. And this is a valid change of circumstance which warrants the grant of bail to Honorable Job Sikhala. And he went on to argue that the magistrate erred in finding that Job Sikhala was an incorrigible criminal because he has been arrested 63 times. He has never been convicted. The presumption of innocence says that he remains innocent. It's not a crime to be wrongfully arrested. A very, 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 very valid point raised here. He went on to say that the church says we were mobilized as supporters to commit public violence. There are 3 police officers who were not present, so they can't testify on this. The 4th witness only says we were drove his car. There's no evidence that we were mobilized for violence. And he went on to say that the bail condition says Wiwa must not post any video inciting violence. The state agrees that Job Sikhala didn't upload any video. It was posted by ZimLive. In any case, the video uploaded doesn't incite violence. He has never been convicted of inciting violence. That is another point. Another argument is that the state argues that the previous courts have denied bail, and that's not the correct approach as per the law. When arguing for bail under changed circumstances, you must check whether the new facts trigger a need to reconsider the court's previous orders, and that is a very, very, very valid point. So after hearing that, that takes us to a point where we are going now. What happened? So Justice Samuel Deme then said that the judgment was reserved indefinitely, as he wants to go through previous judgments made against Job Sikhala, and the court adjourned. So after hearing these arguments, the judge said he wanted to look into the previous judgments against Honorable Job Sikhala so that he can make a ruling. However, the said part is that he made this indefinitely. So he reserved the judgment indefinitely, and indefinitely means that we cannot push the court to say, give us the ruling. We cannot paste at the court. We have to wait for the judge to peruse all those judgments and come with a final judgment. This also gives room to ZANU-PF intimidators to intimidate the judge and play around with these judgments if they manage to. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. This is the update we have for you today. And it's so sad that Honorable Job Sikhala remains behind bars. And we wait to see that day he will be released, because we believe that he is innocent. We believe that he never committed any offense and any crime. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha, and I just decided to come with this update. And I am rushing somewhere. So let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.